What is up, party people? I have obviously had my cup of coffee for the morning and I am amped up. Not because of coffee, but because this weekend I am going on a girls trip. And today I am going to be showing y'all how to pack a carry-on bag to fit as much as you possibly can, because you know you have to overpack because you never know what type of situation you'll get yourself into on a girls' weekend. Another thing I recommend doing is definitely bringing two different types of bags. This one is just a garment bag that I'm going to keep clean things in, like my undergarments and swimsuits, stuff like that, things that I just don't want to get tainted. And then this one I'm going to bring separately, because that is what I'm going to be putting my dirty clothes in. So when I get home, everything is still going to be separate and clean and still taking precaution to the COVID-19.